Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CJ affiliate conversion data with Postbacks, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify CJ affiliate conversion data with Postbacks, begin by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Navigate to the reports section on the dashboard. Select conversions from the report options. Filter the date range to a relevant period for your analysis. Export the conversion report in your preferred format. Next, access your affiliate tracking system or postback management tool. Locate the section for setting up postbacks. Identify the parameters required for your postback URL. Copy the conversion data relevant to your affiliate programs. Ensure your postback URL is configured with those parameters accurately. Test the postback URL by simulating a conversion. Monitor your tracking system to confirm the data is received correctly. Cross-reference the conversion data from CJ affiliate with your tracking system. Identify any discrepancies between the two datasets. If discrepancies exist, investigate potential causes such as delayed reporting or tracking errors. Make necessary adjustments to your postback configuration if needed. Repeat the verification process regularly to maintain data accuracy. Document your findings and adjustments for future reference. This method ensures a reliable connection between your CJ affiliate data and your tracking system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.